Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Yesterday I bought a dash cam from Blackvue called the DR900S. It is a 2-channel dash cam. So right now I have zoomed in the front view of the camera. It is mounted on the front using some kind of double-sided adhesive. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can still see a little bit. So that is the front part of the camera, and I'm going to go move along to the back here, and you can kind of see it right there. It's not very visible, but I'm going to open up the door so you can see what it looks like on the inside. So there it is, the back camera. So I had it professionally installed, so you can't really see any wires anywhere. I want to hop in and I want to show you what my view of the camera looks like. So that's the unit. It has a GPS feature, so it can track where you are. So here is everything I got. So you got the main unit that comes with all the wiring, everything you need to set it up, including the front and rear facing camera, and also this timer thing. So what this thing does is your camera plugs into this device, and it plugs into one of the fuses in your car, and it'll help you manage power consumption savings, because this camera has the ability to record events when the car is off. So it will give you the opportunity to cut off the camera when it goes to a certain voltage level, or you can use a timer. So here's the main package itself. So I'm just going to go over some of the main features that comes with the camera. So it's a 4K camera, 30 frames per second on the front, 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames in the rear, 8 megapixel front, 1.2 megapixel rear, enhanced night vision, up to 256 gigabyte SD card. So after I got the camera, I bought a SD card with 256 gigabytes. And also this camera can upload things to the cloud if you pay for the service. So the best way to do that is to buy an extra hotspot. I'm not sure what is the best plan to get. I went by the Verizon store, and they didn't really have any solutions that fit my use case, probably because I really don't know what my use cases was going to be. So if you have that feature available, it will upload to Blackvue's actual cloud, and through the app that you can get for the phone, you can get push notifications about things going on around the car when you're away from the car. So this actually works as a pretty good security system. So I guess enough of me talking, and I will show you some video while driving.
Starting normal recording.
Okay, now this is for the driving segment of the video. Like I said, it's going to be a 4K quality, but I'm going to combine all these clips together, so I'm probably only going to get 1920 by 1080 quality. So I'll try to see if I can get a 4K version of this video posted to the channel, and I'm going to see if I can probably show the front and rear facing views, probably one after the other. So that was a forward facing view. So now we'll go to the rear.
Starting normal recording.
Okay, now this is for the driving segment of the video. Like I said, it's going to be a 4K quality, but I'm going to combine all these clips together, so I'm probably only going to get 1920 by 1080 quality. So I'll try to see if I can get a 4K version of this video posted to the channel, and I'm going to see if I can probably show the front and rear facing views, probably one after the other.